Hello guys and welcome to Vlogging Project. This is Tony and today I'm going to do a quick disassembly of the Energizer hard case H10 and I'm gonna try to find out why it failed my durability test. Guys, as you can see, they used a plastic screen over here which unfortunately cracked after I gave it a little bit of hammering treatment, just like that. This is not good. I want to see what is going on inside this phone, guys. Nothing more than that. I've got a bunch of videos on this phone which I'm gonna link in the description down below if you want to know how I bought this phone for just £50. And if you want to support the channel, join me on my Ko-fi page, again link on the description down below. Now for the today's tear down, we're gonna need a few things. First, claws. Yes, you need some good fingernails, guys. You need an old credit card that you've already paid off and you really don't want to see anymore. And of course you need what is essential in that case, the Xiaomi Wiha screwdriver set. If you're a kind of a semi-professional in repairing phones or just a beginner, this is everything you need. Metal case, it's magnetic as well, so we're gonna need these three tips over here for this procedure, guys. So let's start with these screws over here. You have the tool for these screws in the package, but I'm gonna use my screwdriver to get them out, just like so, guys. Okay, this one is out and now this one is going to be out as well, and the back cover is off. See how I use my fingernail over here? The battery, the same one as the Nokia BL5C. You can use it as a backup if you will. We're not gonna need this tip right now. And now I'm gonna use this tip over here, guys, to remove these screws. Check this out, guys. Okay, this little one is out over here, and this is the warranty out, which, there we go, for a £15 phone which just got drowned and had the screen broken. Okay, it's not coming off because of the sticker, but anyway, I'm gonna leave it for later on. And now the last two are these small little ones over here, guys. And there we go. I'm touching the camera with my hand, sorry about it, guys, but yeah, I'm doing whatever I can when I'm not in my studio. It's like I have a studio, but anyways, there we go. That should be it, guys. And now I'm just gonna have to try and find a way to pry this baby off somehow. Let me shake it a little bit like that to see where is the, let's say, jacking point, guys. Is it somewhere over here? Is it somewhere over here? I really do not know. I think it should be somewhere over here, to be honest with you. Let me try with the charging port over here. Is it going to be through the charging point? Okay, yes, I got it over here, guys. There we go. Simple as that, pretty much. One of the problems with this phone is that there is no rubber coating anywhere over here. They've put some sort of a little gasket over here. I'm not sure if you can see it, but that's definitely not enough to keep the water out. And as simple as that, this thing is out, guys. The keyboard is definitely quite durable. I managed to slice it with my knife, but it's still in place, guys, and it is very, very tight. Check this out. Extremely tight keyboard. I really like the overall quality of this cheap looking keyboard. It definitely got the job done and it kept the water outside. You can see where I sliced the button over here, guys. It couldn't cut through it, so well done for the keyboard. And that's what we're dealing with over here. It has a very strange kind of metallic layer on top of it. I'm really not sure why. This is our screen over here, which just dangles just like that, pretty much. And unfortunately, there we go, guys. There we have a problem. The screen is actually soldered to the mainboard. So from here on, it doesn't make any sense trying to repair this phone, because although I can actually solder with a solder gun, I'm not an expert in these little tiny solders over here, so probably I'm gonna mess it up. So in terms of repairability, this is not good, guys. You have to buy another phone. But anyway, we've got two more screws over here. Let's see what is going on with the rest of the phone. I'm going to be using my other tip over here, guys. All right, let's get this screw out over here. One over here, the other one over here. All right, let's see what we're dealing with over here, guys. There we go again, the claws. Let me know which film is that from. The Claw. I'm joking. And yeah, the microphone is on our way. The microphone is over here, guys. So let me see how I'm gonna take it out. This little guy over here is on my way, and it's again soldered to the main board, so we're gonna have a problem over here, guys. Okay, the whole thing is off, and the only thing which still holds is currently the microphone, which I don't see a proper way of removing. The one thing I can do is just get another tip, guys, a little small one over here. Which one? Let's see, we're gonna use this tip over here and try to remove this microphone. Let's see what is going to happen, guys, whether I'm gonna be able to remove it without breaking it. I'm gonna have to break a little bit of the plastic over here, I'm afraid, in order to get it out. I'm really not sure why they did it like that. It is so secure, guys. Come on, come on, little guy. Okay, it's out. It's not in the best of shapes, but yeah, the microphone is actually finally out, guys. There we go over here. So yeah, this is the whole frame over here. Everything is plastic, but it's kind of flexible, as you can see. That's why it didn't bend, and because the phone is kind of a, you know, boxy shaped, it didn't bend as well. So pretty much you don't have much going on over here. Main board, everything is soldered though. Check this out, and the speakers look absolutely massive. Check the size of that speaker, guys. This is one massive speaker, to be honest with you. Absolutely massive for such tiny phone. But again, it is soldered to the main board. And this is the camera. This must be probably one of the smallest cameras I have ever seen in my life, guys. Check the size of that camera. And yeah, camera is over here underneath this sticker over here, which I'm going to peel off. Let's see what it is going to reveal. Are they kind of on the same flex? Let's see, what do we have over here, guys. Yep, so the cameras, as you can see, they go all the way down here, and they're again soldered to the main board, guys, which is very strange. Check this out, a very strange array of cameras over here. And yeah, this is our speaker, and this is the LED. Pretty much this is the casing, that's the vibration over here, that's the plastic casing of everything. So pretty much this is the Energizer, guys. Unfortunately, unlike the new Nokia phones where you can easily swap the screen with another one, it's not that, I mean, I already broke the Nokia 800 tough, but there is no replacement parts. But on the Nokia 3310 there are already replacement screens for like £5, something like that. But considering everything is soldered on this phone over here, and the thing is that it costs only £50, unfortunately this phone is not fixable, guys. And of course, I mean, for £15, what do you expect? As you can see, the water indicator over here, when I dip it under the water, some water actually got through the back cover over here, and I can see some drops on the main board. But yeah, it's a tough phone, but unfortunately it is not very tough, guys, because check this out. Because of this plastic screen over here, when I press it, have a look what happens. I mean, literally my thumb goes through that and is touching the screen, guys. That's what broke this tiny little screen over here. If that was glass, it would have offered a better protection, or in the case of Nokia 3310, a very thick layer of plastic, but unfortunately it isn't, guys. So this phone is good for the bin. Pretty much that's about it. and I'm sorry to, you know, have bad news about this phone, but it is not repairable. Thank you very much for watching, guys. Hit the subscribe button now. Whoops. Hit the subscribe button now, and I'm gonna see you in the next one. Adios.